Oh my god, I have no clue how I'm going to do this video. My hair is fucked up. Barber's closed, it's locked down, and I'm hoping you guys subscribe because I'm about to drop some fucking knowledge bombs. I started in the music industry when I was 18 as a freelancer, studying at the same time, trying to do jobs for other people, starting internships, and I was really immature. I didn't have a lot of life experience, and I had to learn the rules of the music industry the hard way. And the hard way is either people pulling you aside and saying, Nick, this isn't on, and those are people you should really value because they actually give a shit enough to say something to your face, or people just cutting you out. And that hurt, but the reality was it's something I needed because I just was a dick when I was starting and I was 18, super immature, no life experience. And I want to go through some of the things I've learned so you guys don't fall into the same traps. You guys can be conscious of how to overcome some of these rules and just conduct yourself properly in the music industry. So the first thing that we should all consider in the music industry is to talk less and listen more. Okay, it's exciting. We're really passionate about whether you're a producer or an engineer or an artist. We're all passionate about our craft and we want to talk about it for hours on end. But the reality is sometimes it's worth just shutting up and listening to other people. Other people have different experiences from us, can offer us different advice, different value, and we can learn from what other people have to say rather than trying to always say something. And this is really important because you never know what opportunities might come across your table if you just shut your mouth and listen. The next one, and this is a big one, even Andrew Sheps preaches this when I went to go see him talk, is don't be a dick. Simple. There are a lot of people who like to complain, lament, whinge in the music industry. Don't be the person presenting a whole bunch of problems. Be the person who chooses to solve them. Just don't be a dick. Don't treat people the way you want to be treated. Practice some compassion, some empathy, and it's going to get you really far forward. The next one is be somebody who gets shit done, not somebody who talks shit. Simple. We've all met these sort of people. We might have even been these people ourselves. We just talk a big game. We talk our ambitions, we talk our future, and that can sometimes be healthy and exciting to have that ambition. But the reality is everybody has ambition in the music industry and everybody's talking a big game. If you're not fucking backing it up and actually doing something, you just look like a time waster. Rather than talking about the things you would love to do or that you're going to achieve, go and fucking do them and show proof that you can fucking achieve these things rather than just talking about it to other people. And the final one is take responsibility. It's exciting when something goes well and we all want to take responsibility and get credit for when a record does well or we got a really good mix or a really good production or our clients are happy. That's awesome. But also take responsibility when you fuck up. When something falls short of the mark, when something isn't quite right, take responsibility for it and own it, because that's the only way you're going to live in reality and move forward. If you're always going to place the blame somewhere else or on someone else or on something else, you're never going to learn from your mistakes and you're never going to grow in the industry. Guys, I hope these four little bits of advice can help you in your careers in the music industry move forward. These are lessons I learned the hard way and I'm still learning every day and I'll continue to learn. I might make a second video, a follow-up to this one, but these are four things you can easily consider, implement. They're just things that apply even outside of music, just in life in general. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and until next time, take care.